सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। Page 116, verse 54. तत्त्वं बुद्ध्वापि कामादीन् निःशेषं न जहासि चेत् यथेष्टाचरणं ते स्यात् यथेष्टाचरणं कर्मशास्त्रातिलङ्घिनः। From the shloka 38 onwards up to 66th shloka, Vidyaranya dealing with the topic of Jiva Dvaita Nivritti. Brahma Jnanena Jiva Dvaita Nivritti. By attaining self-knowledge, one can eliminate the duality created by the Jiva, oneself. Brahma Jnanam alone is the solution. Therefore, may you understand what is Jiva Dvaitam. Jiva Dvaita means, Jiva means individual, Dvaita means duality. So the duality created by the individual alone is the cause for the problem of samsara. Samsara means dukkham, limitation, insecurity. All these are because of one's own mental projection. Therefore, Ishvara Dvaitam is not mental projection. It is Ishvara Srishti. Your subjective world alone you have to handle. Your subjective world alone you have to handle. To handle that subjective world, Jiva Dvaitam, you must know what is that subjective world, Jiva Dvaitam. That Jiva Dvaitam is of two types, Shastriya Jiva Dvaitam and Ashastriya Jiva Dvaitam. Jiva Dvaitam is of two types. One is Shastriya Jiva Dvaitam. Number two is Ashastriya Jiva Dvaitam. What do you mean by Shastriya Jiva Dvaitam? Shastriya Jiva Dvaitam is Vedanta Vichara. Vedanta Vichara comes under Shastriya Jiva Dvaitam. Studying of Vedantic scriptures, Prasthanatrayam, Shravana Manana Nididhyasana, to attain Jivan Mukti, Shamadamadi Shakka Sampatti, Viveka Vairagyam, Sadhana Chatushtaya Sampatti, Gnana Yogyata, Gnana Prapti, all these come under Shastriya Dvaitam. Ishvara Dvaitam is not harmful. Even Shastriya Jiva Dvaitam is also not harmful. There is a second type of Jiva Dvaitam, that is Ashastriya Jiva Dvaitam. You have to handle Ashastriya Jiva Dvaitam. Keep Shastriya Jiva Dvaitam for some time until you get Jivan Mukti. Keep Shastriya Dvaitam. Hold on to Panchadashi Bhagavad Gita. Don't throw that baby with bath water. Vedanta Shastra is important initially, even though it is a Jiva Dvaitam. The second Jiva Dvaitam, that is Ashastriya Jiva Dvaitam. It is not Shastriyam, Ashastriyam. That you have to handle. In that Ashastriya Dvaitam, there are two types. One is Manda Ashastriya Dvaitam. Second one is Tivra Ashastriya Dvaitam. Manda Ashastriya Dvaitam and Tivra Ashastriya Dvaitam. What is Manda Ashastriya Dvaitam? Manda Ashastriya Dvaitam is nothing but an extroverted mind. Extroverted mind, Vikshepa mind. That Manda Ashastriya Dvaitam you have to handle through Upasana Yoga. Through Upasana Yoga. You come to Vedanta class, you have Manda Buddhi, Vikshepa, extrovertedness is there, suppose. You won't receive that Atma Jnanam, even if you receive also, you cannot retain it. It will not give benefit. Therefore, Manda Ashastriya Dvaita Nivrityartham Upasana Yoga. What about Tivra Ashastriya Dvaitam? That is immediate surgery you have to do. That means immediate abolition. Kama Krodha. Kama Krodha, or you can call it as Raga Dvesha or Malam, Chitta Malam. Chitta Malam means impurity at the mind level. That impurity at the mind level alone is called Raga and Dvesha. Attachment and aversion. Strong attachment to family, possessions, profession, body, mind. Pancha Anatmas, strong attachment. Or sometimes you have dvesha towards certain things or people, that dvesha bhavana, that is called krodha. Kama, krodha, you can put it as raga, dvesha. It is called as chitta malam. Chitta malam can be removed by karma yoga abhyasa. Karma yoga you practice. Ishvara prityartham karma kuru. Prasada buddhya phalam swikaru. Nishkama karma you do a lot. To remove tivra ashastriya dvaitam, you have to dilute your raga dvesha. Before coming to Shastra itself, you might have handled some extent Raga Dvesha, partially. Partially you have handled Raga Dvesha, that's why you have got little taste in Vedanta. But unfortunately you have not handled totally Raga Dvesha. Koncham patru, koncham dvesham, sela vishayathil. Ella vishayathil illa Swamini, sela vishayathil, and the sela, adi podu. Like that, people without dropping the total elimination of, or dropping without dropping the raga dvesha, if they come to Shastra, they get jnanam but not jnana nishtha. Unless you get jnana nishtha, you cannot drop jiva dvaitam. So, Shastriya jiva dvaitam works when you delete this ashastriya tivra jivadvaitam. Ashastriya tivra jivadvaitam raga dvesha, if you remove only through karma yoga, then that vikshepa manda ashastriya dvaitam you can handle some by upasana yoga. Then you get jnana nishtha. Then only Shastriya Jiva Dvaitam works properly. Reception, retention, recollection. Reception, receiving the teaching. With partial Raga Dvesha, you can receive the teaching. Deha Abhimana, family members, little Abhimana, likes and dislikes. You may receive the teaching, but it will not assimilate into your mind because of that raga dvesha. So therefore, through karma yoga, you remove that raga dvesha, tivra, ashastriya, jivadvaitam. Then handle that through vikshepa nivrityartham, upasana yoga dvara, manda ashastriya dvaitam. Then shastriya jivadvaitam works. Then only you will go to total elimination of Jiva Dvaitam. Appa, evala travel pannanam parungo. Long journey. Suppose a person says, I have understood Brahma Jnanam. What is Brahma Jnanam? I have understood thoroughly. Since I am not the body-mind complex, I am Atma, I have understood. After leaving the body, I will get Videha Mukti. That is sufficient. I forego the Jivan Mukti. I need not work for Jivan Mukti. If I want Jivan Mukti, I have to drop Kama Krodha. Adi or Mudiyada Karyam enakku. Therefore, Jivan Mukti vendava. Jnanam vandadi Videha Mukti vanda podum. Suppose you say like that. Because you are not able to drop the Kama Krodha, Raga Dvesha. Because you have certain likes and dislikes, you want certain things to enjoy. Then Vidyaranya says, if you want to enjoy Sukham, you go for Swarga. There you can enjoy a lot. Then that Purapakshi says, no. Swarga is having lot of doshas. Dosha Trayam is there, Dukkha Mishritam, Bandhakatvam, Atruptikaratvam. Even if I go to Swarga also, there are some more higher officers to me. And I have to come back again if I go to Swarga. Again Punarjanma will be there. It is a bondage for me. Therefore, I am not going to vote for Swarga. I vote for Videha Mukti without dropping my Kama Krodha. Then Vidyaranya asking, Tattvam buddhapi kamadin nissesham na jahasi chet. Suppose this is your contention. I want to get Videha Mukti without getting Jivan Mukti. For Jivan Mukti, I have to give up Kama Krodha. It is not possible for me. I don't want Swarga. I want only Videha Mukti. Suppose you say, after listening to Shastra, understanding also, what will happen, Nishesham na jahasi chet. Nishesham na totally. You have partially dropped Raga Dvesha. I don't say you have 100% Raga Dvesha. You have only certain particular people you have Raga Dvesha. You have partially handled. If you are not ready to drop Nissesham, and the Nissesham is important, you have to drop total Abhimana towards body, towards possessions, towards family, towards everything. Nissesham na jahasi chet. If you won't give up, then what will happen, you will take to Yadheshta Charanam te syad. You will take a licentious life, adharmic life. There are 3 types of adhikaris: Uttamadhikari, Madhyamadhikari, Mandhadhikari. Uttamadhikari attains knowledge, knowledge and jnana nishtha, he gets Jivan Mukti, no problem. Manda Adhikari cannot receive the teaching at all. He cannot understand Sariratrayam, Panchakosha Viveka, Panchakosha Vilakshana Atma. He cannot understand, or she cannot understand. For them also no problem. You the Madhyama Adhikari, Vidyaranya addressing Madhyama Adhikari. Uttama Adhikari ki problem illa. Avani nalla puriyum Shastram, there is no problem. Manda Adhikari ki onnume puriyila, no problem. இந்த ரெண்டும் கட்டான இருக்கான மிடில் கொஞ்சம் கிளாஸுக்கு வந்து கொஞ்சம் பற்று வச்சுண்டு ஒரு கால் ஃபேமிலியில் ஒரு கால் சாஸ்திரத்தில் ஒன்றுமே விட முடியலையே சுவாமினி அண்ணா அப்படின்னு உங்களை கூட விட முடியலையே அண்ணா. There are students, they cannot leave Swamini also, they cannot leave their family members also. You need not leave physically. What Shastra says, drop your attachment. And the mental clinging, mentally you are clinging towards that you drop. If you won't drop and you have understood half-cooked knowledge you have, what? Aham akarta, abhokta, I am not the doer, I am not the enjoyer. Indriyasya arthe, ragadvesha vyavasthito veva, Krishnare chullitar. Lord Krishna himself said, as long as you have interaction, raga, dvesha, vyavasthito. And the next line, avan chollamata. Tayoho vasham na agachet, he will skip it. Krishna says, skip that raga, dvesha, they are your enemies. There your enemies, skip them, Krishna says. Even enna panduvanna, and the part matra skip panni, he keeps that. So therefore, he want to continue with half knowledge. Bhogaratova, yogaratova, sangaratova, sangaviha, and the madri quote panni. And nandati, he enjoys the all pleasures. Nothing wrong. Anyhow, I am not doing, no. He says like that. That's what yatheshta charanam syat. There is a possibility of taking licentious, immoral life, and you justify that. It is right. Then what he said? Karma shastra atilanginaha. You will become the violator of this karma shastra, means dharma shastra. Veda Purva Bhaga is called Dharma Shastra. Adhato Dharma Jignasa. Jaimini Purva Mimamsa Sutras, first sutra. Adhato Dharma Jignasa. May you learn Dharma first. While you are performing your actions, how to perform dharmic way. Dharma Jignasa. Then only Brahma Sutra, Adhato Brahma Jignasa. After learning Karma Kanda, Upasana Kanda, through dharmic life, then you come to Brahman. So, Dharma Shastra means Karma Shastra. You drop all rituals, you drop all disciplines, you drop Sandhya Vandanam, you drop everything. On one side you say, I am Brahman, I need not do anything, I am Akarta. Another side you do all unethical, immoral actions and enjoying and say, I am not doing that. My body only doing that. If you say like that, you are crossing the limits of Shastra. Langhinaha means what? Crossing the limit. Skipping an artham. That's why when people do lankhanam, medicines when they are taking, doctors say pathyam. Don't take this, that and lankhanam. Adi lankhanam we used to say. Langhanam. Langhanam means skipping. Langhanam means what? Not taking food is called langhanam. When there is any upset, stomach upset problem, those days people used to do langhanam. Iniki na langhanam anna unnu saapida maate an artham. Here you are skipping what? Not food. You are skipping dharma. Karma Shastra Langhinaha. You are skipping the Dharma Shastra Vidhi Nishedha. You are all dropping that. Those people who are all Madhyama Adhikaris, not dropping Ragadvesha. That is the problem. You are more harmful to the society. Up to here we saw in the last class. Next shloka we will read 55. Buddhadvaita swatatvasya Buddhadvaita swatatvasya Yadheshta charanam yadim Shunam tattvadrusham chaivam Ko bhedo shuchi bhakshane. Transcending dharma and adharma, punya, papa is only from paramarthika drishti, not vyavaharika drishti. Remember, as long as you are interacting with the world, with this body, law and order to be followed, shastric injunctions to be followed, shastric prescriptions, vidhi nisheda to be followed, should be followed. You cannot violate them. Na punyam, na papam, na dharma, na cha artha. All is only from when you transcend the body mind complex at paramarthika level. There is no punya papa at all. Don't bring that in vyavaharika level. In the vyavaharika realm, as long as you are interacting with the world, don't bring that Paramarthika, na punyam, na papam here. That is Paramarthika Drishti. You have no right to interpret them when you are interacting with the world. In Brahman, there is no interaction at all. Brahman, there is no interaction at all. Nishkriyaha. Na punyam, na papam, na saukhyam, na dukkham. Ninga paadradellame. Adella Brahmanukku. Amma Brahmanukku self pleasures undodi anna. Self pleasures edukku nikku? Sense pleasures. Sense pleasures enjoy பண்ணும்போது I am Brahman anna. Brahmanukku sense pleasures ella irukka enna? அப்போ you are Brahman anna sense pleasures கூட போக கூடாது நீ. இல்லையோ? ஏன்னா பிரம்மனுக்கு சென்ஸ் பிளஷர்ஸ் கிடையாது, சென்ஸ் பெயினும் கிடையாது, ரெண்டுமே கிடையாது. Therefore you cannot go for sense pleasures also. Brahman doesn't have any raga dvesha. If you are Brahman really, if you are understood, you cannot have raga dvesha. So therefore there is a danger. This is like a Lakshmana Rekha. This is called Lakshmana Rekha. It is a seema, boundary, line. You have to be very careful with that world when you are transacting. Don't bring that Paramarthika Satyam here. Nee vechchuko Paramarthika Satyam, Aham Brahmasmi for your sake only. Not interacting with the world. Okay? Then he says, Buddhva Advaita Tattvasya Yadheshtacharanam Yadi Buddha Advaita Tattvasya, of that person who has understood Advaitam, Buddha Advaitam Tattva. Tattva means the reality. The truth of Advaitam, once you understand Buddha, having understood the truth and you take to Yadheshta Charanam, Yadha Ishtam, Yadheshtam. Kan pona pokile, Kal pohalama, Kal pona pokile, Manam pohalama. Pohalama, Polaman solra ivan. In the Vajjamadhikari student, Polaman solra. Shastra Vidya and Kekara, Pohalama and Kekara. Appadi Polama, Tapilya and Kekara. Yadheshta Charanam Edi. 3 types, Kama Vadaha, Kama Bhakshaha, Kama Acharaha. What they do, Madhyama Adhikaris, Mandha Adhikari, no problem, and Purive, Uttama Adhikari, Purinja Pochi, Avan, no problem. Even Randam Katana, if the Ella Chola Vendia, Teva Yenna, Yadheshta Charanam, if you take that Kama Achara. Kama Achara means what? That person lives as he or she likes. Day routine eppadi irukana enakku edhu ishtamo adu pandren avladha. What time you get up? When I want to get up, I get up. When you take bath? When I want to take bath, I will take bath. What time you will eat? Any time I can eat. What you will? Anything I can eat. That is called Yadheshtacharam. Shastra says you have to get up early morning, first you have to take bath, then you have to do puja, then you have to do Surya Namaskaram, then you have to do Sandhya Vandanam, then you have to do only Alpaharam. Shastra says, adella mudiyadappa. I can't do that. Apdi enna artham? Yadheshtacharanam. Instead of Surya, I have to welcome Surya. Surya has to welcome me. The sun god has to welcome me. Avar vandi, hey, get up ani solluva. That is called Yadheshtacharam. Kama Acharaha. Then Kama Vadaha. Kama Vada means there is no tongue control. What to talk, when to talk, how much to talk, no control. Blurt out anything, whatever comes to the mouth, shouting at others, just talking sarcastically. And kindle pandradhi, criticize pandradhi, vaai therandale bhayam ellarkume. This is called Kama Vadaha, means talking as he or she likes. In spite of studying, that's the problem. In spite of studying Shastra. So that is called Kama Vadaha. He never follow 4 filtering principles. of Lord Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita, before you are talking, you have to put 4 filters. And the 4 filters which is pouring, words pouring in that filter. First filter is anudvegakaram vakyam. Your vakyam's speech should not be udvegakaram. It should not hurt others. Anudvegakaram vakyam. Satyam, second filter. Speak truth only, never tell lies. That is second filter. Through that filter it has to go. Satyam. Then priyam. Your words must be pleasing, pleasant to others. Never speak unpleasant words with others. Priyam. Then hitam. It must be good to others, beneficial to others when you are talking. Anudvekaram, first filter. Anudvegakaram, satyam, second filter. Priyam, third filter. Hitam, fourth filter. Non-hurting, truthful. Priyam, hitam. Priyam means pleasing and good. All, if the words are like that, only you talk. Otherwise, don't talk. No. I cannot follow all those things. My nature is udvegakaram vakyam. Suppose. Not priyam. Apriyam only. Suppose. Only asatyam. Enna arthamna? Kama vadaha. Then kama bhakshaha. Eating. Kandadella parakkaradi. Ella saapra. நடக்கிறது பறக்கிறது எல்லாமே கிரால் பண்ணுறது எல்லாம் சாப்பிட்றேன். இந்த கருப்பாம்பூச்சி ரசமா அதெல்லாம் சாப்பிட்றேன். என்னென்னமோ சாப்பிட்றேன். ஒரு வாட்டி டேஸ்ட் பார்க்கலாம் அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு சிப்பு. லைக் திஸ் காம பக்ஷஹான்னு அர்த்தம். ஈட்டிங் வாட் எவர் ஹி ஆர் ஷி லைக்ஸ். சாஸ்திரா சேஸ் அமேத்யம், இது தொடாதே, இது சாப்பிடாதே. என்ன பூண்டு சாப்பிடாதேன்னு சொன்னா சாஸ்திரம். டோன்ட் டச் கார்லிக். சாஸ்திரா இஸ் செகண்டரி, டாக்டர் இஸ் பிரைமரி ஃபார் அஸ். டாக்டர் சேஸ் garlic is good for heart. Shastra doctor come and says garlic is not good for mind. This person kama bhakshaha, vote for what? Good for heart, not good for mind. This is called kama bhakshaha. A shastric student should not touch garlic. A shastric student should not touch onion. There are so many other things also. Should not touch. Like that. So, yadheshtacharanamna இந்த மாதிரி இருக்கும். Kamavadaha, kama bhakshaha, kama acharaha. Then Vidyaranya asking, this is taken from the Naishkarmya Siddhi, Sureshwaracharya's shloka, bodily lifted shloka. From Naishkarmya Siddhi, they have given Naishkarmya Siddhi, 4th chapter, 62, shloka number. Sureshwaracharya is also an Acharya of Sringeri. Vidyaranya also belong to Sringeri Matham. So, on the Guru Parampara, he is recollecting, my Gurus, they have said like this. So, we have to keep up the Guru Parampara. Suppose you live like that as you like, eat as you like, speak as you like. I am asking, what is the difference between dog and you? Animal and human being, what is the difference? Animal also eating whatever it likes. Like that they take dog in the morning walk. Walk dog. They take the dog for walking. So that they can also walk behind. And when they are taking the dog, அது என்னென்ன பண்ணுமோ காலையில் வாக்கிங் போகும்போது எங்கேயோ போவோம், பாத்ரூமுக்கு போவோம், லெட்டருக்கு போயிடும். They have to run behind that dog. ஏதாவது சாப்பிட்டு கடிச்சு அது சாப்பிட்டோம். Then what is the difference between that dog and your lifestyle? Tell me. He is asking. Shunam tatvadrisham. You are just living like a dog instead of becoming God. Okay. God God you have to be. A Shastric student. And the Shastric student in Chulikano. We are addressing him only. A Shastric student, half-cooked knowledge student, Tattvadrisham, shunam tattvadrisham. You are just equal to dog. It eats whatever it wants. It is programmed. It is instinctive. It doesn't have any conditions. Unconditionally it lives. But you, the human being, is not like that. You have certain rules and regulations. Shunam tattvadrisham ko bhedaha ashuchi bhakshane. You are also eating ashuchi. சாப்பிட கூடாதெல்லாம் சாப்பிட்டு இருக்கையே, குடிக்க கூடாததெல்லாம் குடிச்சுட்டு இருக்கையே, இந்த மாதிரி எல்லாம் பண்றியே. அசுச்சி பக்ஷணே சுனாம் தத்வத்ருஷாம் கோ பேதஹா. What is the difference? What a powerful sloka. What is the difference? So instead of GOD, you have to reverse now. Ko bhedaha na bedam ille aidu. அப்படியா உன் லைஃப்? They don't have any rules and regulations. If a buffalo or dog violate the traffic rules, policeman or traffic police person will not arrest that buffalo. அதுக்கு ரூல்ஸ் ரெகுலேஷன்ஸ் கிடையாது. It can violate. ரெட் சிக்னல் ஆகுது, ஃபுட்பாத் ஆகுது, இதெல்லாம் கண்டிக்கவே மாட்டான், போயிடும். They are not punished because they are animals. They don't have sixth sense. But you are also doing like that without following any ethical rules. What is the difference between you and the animals? It's more harmful. Next shloka. Bodhat pura mano dosham matrat klishnyasya thadhunam asesha loka ninda chet aho te bodha vaibhavam. Bodhat pura manodosha matrat klishnasi. Bodhat pura means before. Before what? Before knowledge. Bodhat. Before knowledge. What knowledge? Aham panchakosha vilakshanaha atma sakshi chaitanyam. Aham shariratraya vilakshanaha brahma. Aham Satchidananda Swarupaha. This bodha. This is called knowledge. Before that, before coming to Shastra, before this knowledge, you have faced your mind. What mind? A problematic mind. A tormenting mind. A mind which is always disturbing you. Manomatrat klishnasi. Manomatrat means because of your mind. That mind was so vulnerable at that time before coming to Shastra. You yourself said one time, Swamini, after coming to Swamini, oh Guruji, after coming to Shastra only my mind is so tranquil now. My mind is so much changed. Before and all I was so angry, so tempered, so much problem was there in the mind. You yourself told. Mano matrat klishnasi. Then atha adhuna. Before coming to knowledge, you have faced your mind, a vulnerable mind. You know that mind how much problematic. You have faced. அந்த மனசு நிம்மதிக்காக தான் இங்க வந்தேன். இங்க வந்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் அதா அதுனா இதானீம் இப்போ அசேஷ லோக நிந்தா சேத். After coming to Shastra, every Wednesday, Thursday, you hold on to Bhagavad Gita, Panchadasana, takku class போயிட்டு வந்துட்டு இருக்கே. ஆனாலும் உங்க பிஹேவியர்ல சேஞ்ச் இஸ் நாட் தேர். பீப்புள் வில் கிரிட்டிசைஸ் யூ. லோக நிந்தா. போற பெரிய கிளாஸுக்கு அந்த சாமியார் அம்மா என்னமோ சொல்றாங்க, போறா லோக நிந்தா சேத். People will criticize you. If you don't carry Bhagavad Gita, Panchadasi and all, people won't look at you that much. Now they look at you regular. போயிட்டு கிளாஸுக்கு ரெகுலரா சாதனா கேம்ப்ல அட்டென்ட் பண்றான், எங்கெங்கமோ படிக்கிறான், என்னென்னமோ படிக்கிறான். So they are looking at you. They are looking at you and they are observing you. They want to see, through the lens. And they see if you behave any, even little bit iota this side and that side, you will be aprida. They will catch you. And the loka ninda. People blame you, criticize you. Loka ninda chet. Appar Vidyaranya Chara, aho te bodha vaibhavam. Aha, what a jnanam you have got. Vidyaranya is asking that person. You have come to Shastra. Before coming to Shastra, you have faced your vulnerable mind with raga, dvesha, kama, krodha mind you have faced at that time. You have suffered a lot and you have troubled many people in your family, and you are also troubled by the people in the society, and you have come all the way to Shastra and you have got solace in the Shastra. After coming to Shastra, after understanding also, your behavior has not changed. And you are blamed by the people in the society because of your unethical, immoral life. I see what a vaibhavam your vidya. Sarcastically he is talking. எப்படி ப்ரஹஸ்பதினு சொல்ல மாதிரி அவர் பெரிய ப்ரஹஸ்பதின்னு சொல்லுவான். அப்படி என்ன அர்த்தம்னா, ப்ரஹஸ்பதி தேவகுரு, வெரி நாலெட்ஜபிள் பர்சன். இவர் ப்ரஹஸ்பதி என்ன அர்த்தம், இவர் கூட ப்ரஹஸ்பதி மாதிரி சொல்லணும் இல்லையா. இவர் ப்ரஹஸ்பதி என்ன உல்டா, வெதிரேகார்த்தே ப்ரஹஸ்பதி. வெதிரேகார்த்தம் குவயட் வெதிரேகம். அந்த ப்ரஹஸ்பதினுக்கு இவனுக்கு ப்ரஹஸ்பதி வெரி நாலெட்ஜபிள், இவன் குட்டிச்சவர், ஒண்ணுமே வராது, டல் பர்சன், ஆப்போசிட். அதே மாதிரி வைபவம், யுவர் நாலேஜ் மகா வைபவமா இருக்கு சொல்றாரு, கிண்டல் பண்றாரு. இப்படியா இருக்கணும் நாலேஜ், இதான் பிரம்ம ஜானம், யதேஷ்டாச்சரணமா பிரம்ம ஜானம் கேட்கிறார். அப்படியே முள்ளு வச்சு குத்து மாதிரி இஸ் பிரிக்கிங், லைக் தட். திஸ் இஸ் நாட் நாலேஜ். வாட் டைப் ஆஃப் திஸ் நாலேஜ் இஸ் நாலேஜ்? ते वैभवम व्यतिरेकार्थे विपरीत लक्षणानर्थम. नेक्स्ट श्लोक. Therefore, अज्ञानी restraining senses and ज्ञानी restraining in senses. What is the difference? Ajnani also, those who are not coming to Vedanta class also follow disciplines. They follow values. Any Ajnanis are also follow values. Ramo Vigrahavan Dharma. Rama is an embodiment of Dharma. Ajnanis deliberately follow values. Deliberately. No follow pannanu. Bhayapadi follow pannuva. Ajnanis Shastrathukku varamale irundha kuda they follow Dharma. Once you become a Jnani, you have to follow Dharma. What is the difference between Ajnani following Dharma, Jnani following Dharma? அவன் டெலிபரேட்டாக ஃபாலோ பண்ணுவா, இவன் ஸ்பான்டேனியஸாக ஃபாலோ பண்ணுவா. அப்படி இருக்கணும். A person who has got Jnana Nishtha, he follows or she follows values, Dharma spontaneously. It is a part of their own personality. That is why Dharma வேறு ராமர் வேறு இல்லை. தர்மமே ராமா, ராமரே தர்மம். அதே மாதிரி ஒரு ஞானி நிஷ்டா இஸ் தர்மஸ்வரூபா, தர்மமே ஞானஸ்வரூபம். ஞான நிஷ்டா ஞானின்னு அர்த்தம். அது ஸ்பான்டேனியஸ். அதே அஜ்ஞானி ஃபாலோ பண்ணுற தர்மத்துக்கு ஞானி ஃபாலோ பண்ணுறதுக்கு தர்மம் என்ன? இங்கே ஸ்பான்டேனியஸ், அது டெலிபரேட். ஈவன் ஆஃப்டர் கம்மிங் டு சாஸ்திரா ஆல்சோ ஆஜீவிதம், லைஃப் லாங் யூ ஹாவ் டு ஃபாலோ வேல்யூஸ். தெர் இஸ் நோ காம்ப்ரமைஸ் வித் வேல்யூஸ். நான் ஞானி தானே, கோ நிதி கோ விதி கோ நிஷேதான்னு சாஸ்திரம் சொல்லியிருக்கு ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட்டு. ஃபார் ஏ ஞானி வாட் ரூல் ரெகுலேஷன்ஸ் அண்ட் ஆல், நோ ரூல் அண்ட் நோ ரெகுலேஷன். கோ விதி கோ நிஷேதா, ஏகத்வம் அனுபஷ்யதா அன்னார். எவ்ரிவேர் ஆத்மா சீயிங், அவனுக்கு ஒரு நிஷேதமும் அவசியம் இல்லை, விதி அவசியம் இல்லை அன்னார். விதி அவசியம் இல்லை, நிஷேதம் அவசியம் இல்லை. So both are not there. In the madri, you are abusing that quotation. This person is abusing that quotation, not understanding properly. Therefore, to get nishtha, you have to drop ragadvesha. Tivra ashastriya jiva dvaitam you have to drop. Without Jnana Nishtha, Jivan Mukti is not possible. Without Jivan Mukti, you become what? Next sloka is telling. Vidvarahadi tulyatvam ma kankshis-tattva vidbhavan sarvadhi dosha samtyagat lokai pujyasva devavat. There is a correction, the first line. Vidva is written there. Instead of dva, you write da. Vidvarat. Dakara and vakara. Da is half and va. Vidvarat. Vidvarat. Vit plus varahadi. Vit plus varahadi. Vidvarahadi. His Vidyaranya further addressing him. Oh, Madhyamadhikari Shastrik student, don't take Yadheshta Charanam. You become a wrong exemplary to the society. You become a wrong model to Shastra. You must be a good exemplary to the society. That is why those days people never teach Vedanta to all people. They keep Vedanta secret because of this reason. Even Chinmayananda, before coming to public lectures, was cautioned by his teacher, Swami his guru, Tapovan Maharaj, it seems. So he was cautioned, don't go to public with this Vedantic teaching. Like this, many acharyas, Guru Parampara was very, very careful. Unless there is a commitment, Tivra Mumukshutvam and Shraddha in Shastra, reverence towards Shastra, we should not teach this Vedanta for all people. We should not teach this Vedanta for all people. That is why many people, even they are very learned, they teach only Ramayanam, they teach only Bhagavatam, they teach only Prahlada Charitram, Rukmini Kalyanam, not Vedanta. Enna, ivanukku idu podum. Enna, ivanukku indha kadella podum. Vandappo varatum gnanathikku ani cheppi, they don't give public talks and all. That is why we keep like classes, you understand now. We don't give generally as public talks regularly. Regularly, we don't give public talks. Public talks, people listen and collect some ideas from Shastra and they use those statements for their advantage. That is why we keep classes regularly, consistently. We have to train those listeners who are listening with sadhanas, tremendous sadhanas. That is why Lord Krishna also 16th chapter, 17th chapter, 3rd chapter, all these chapters what? Only for sadhanas. There and there he wants Kama yesha krodha yesha rajoguna samudbhavaha mahashano mahapapma vidhyena miha vairinam. Kama krodha are very powerful. They will trap you at any time and you will be under their grip and you cannot come out of them and they will become your enemies and will make you abuse the Shastric statements and you will become a bad exemplary to Shastra. Shastra Mata is afraid of you. Now understand why our ancestors kept strict disciplined life. You understand? Tremendous strict disciplined life is must. அப்படி இருக்கும்போதே கஷ்டம். இங்க discipline இல்லைன்னு சொல்லணுமா? They say no magazine, no TV, nothing, no entertainments, எல்லாமே no luxurious food, எல்லாம் சிம்பிள் கட் எல்லாமே கட்டு தான். இப்போ பார்த்தேன்னா எவ்ரிவேர் இட் இஸ் அவைலபிள். லக்ஸூரியஸ் லைஃப் இஸ் அவைலபிள். டிவி இஸ் அவைலபிள். பஸ்ஸில் உட்கார்ந்த டிவி, ட்ரெயினில் உட்கார்ந்த டிவி, ஃப்ளைட்டில் உட்கார்ந்த டிவி, செல்ஃபோன்லேயே டிவி, இன்டர்நெட்டு, எவ்ரிதிங் இஸ் அவைலபிள். டு கெட் ஸ்பாயில் இட் இஸ் ஈஸி nowadays. To get training to be disciplined is tough nowadays. You have to discipline yourself. Self-restraint is so important, they always says. Otherwise, what is the difference? You see that pig, varahadi. Varahanna pig. Adi padat, you can take whatever is wallowing in the filthy things. Varaha enna pannu? Is it dipping in Ganga water? Varaham likes water. Filthy water, not even ordinary water. அதுக்கு ரொம்ப டர்ட்டி வாட்டர் தான் ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும். வாட்டர் டர்ட்டி இல்லைன்னா மண்ணில் சொல்லி அப்படி அது டர்ட்டி பண்ணும், அந்த அளவுக்கு அது. விட் என்ன? ஃபில்தி. இட் ஈட்ஸ் ஃபில்தி, இட் மூவ்ஸ் வித் ஃபில்தி, இட் லிவ்ஸ் இன் ஃபில்தி. வராகம். லைக் தட் there are many other animals and creatures live in filthy. You are also living in yadheshtacharanam filthy, suppose. Vidvarahadi tulyatvam. Tvam vidvaraha tulyaha. You are also equal to like that pig which is wallowing in that filthy matter. Because you are also wallowing in sense pleasures. I know Vedanta. Everything is Brahman. Everything is Brahman. Liquor also Brahman. Cigarette is also Brahman. Everything is Brahman. Sense pleasures are all Brahman. எல்லாமே பிரம்மனா இருக்கும்போது இது மாத்திரமே பிரம்மன் இல்லை பிரம்மன் இல்லைன்னு சொல்லணும். அதுக்கு தான் எல்லாமே பிரம்மன் தான். இந்த மாதிரி எல்லாம் பேசுவோம். வாட் கேன் யூ டாக் டு ஹிம்? ஐ ஃபாலோ வாட் சாஸ்திரா சேஸ். ஹி சேஸ் வாட் யூ ஃபாலோ. எவ்ரிதிங் இஸ் பிரம்மன் ஃபார் மீ. ஐ நெவர் டிஸ்கார்ட் எனிதிங். ஐ நெவர் discard anything. You people are discarding secular, sacred, good இதுன்னு. I don't discard. எனக்கு எல்லாமே பிரம்மன் தான். யாரு அவன் சொல்றான். அப்புறம் வித்யாரண்ய is asking, விட்வராஹாதி, வராகத்துக்கு உனக்கு என்ன அப்பா டிஃபரன்ஸ்னு கேட்குறார். துல்யாஹா யூ ஆர். இதெல்லாம் படிக்கிறதுக்கே கொஞ்சம் கஷ்டமா இருக்கும். வாட் இஸ் த இன்டென்ஷன்? வை வித்யாரண்ய ஆஸ்கிங் லைக் திஸ்னா, a person when he is studying, that's why many people won't come for Vedanta. You understand now? They are not able to control their senses. They are not able to control their mind. They are not able to control their weaknesses. That is why they are not able to face Shastra Darpanam. They want to take the advantage of Shastra just for status sake. நான் எங்கே போயிட்டு வரேன்னா, நான் சுவாமினி கிளாஸுக்கு போயிட்டு வரேன், சுவாமிஜி கிளாஸுக்கு போயிட்டு வரேன், அந்த மகாத்மானுடைய கிளாஸுக்கு போயிட்டு வரேன்னா பீப்புள் வில் ரெஸ்பெக்ட். அதுக்காக கூட பண்ணுவா சில பேர். அண்ட் சில பேர் என்னென்னா கொஞ்சம் இல்லை அப்பப்போ அங்கங்கே கொட்டேஷன்ஸ் ஏதாவது பண்ணுறதுக்கு, யாருக்கு கூட பேசணும்னா கொஞ்சம் நல்ல வாக்கியம் சொன்ன ஐ கேன் மெஸ்மரைஸ் தம், ஐஸ் வைக்கிறது. அப்படியாவது கற்றுக்கணும்னா கொஞ்சம் நமக்கு ஸ்காலர்ஷிப் எல்லாம் வரும் இல்லையோ. தெர் இஸ் a possibility of such a thinking. So they are more dangerous. They say, so ma kankshi, a is silent there. Wherever ma comes, a is dropped. Ma akankshi, ma kankshi. May you not go for them, because Tattvavid Bhavan, you are Tattvavid. You are the knower of the truth. Don't go like that into Yadheshta Charanam. That's why people are all looking at you. That's why a sannyasi who is wearing kashaya, people have a lot of reverence. If they go to a temple, how they respect with Purna Kumbha and all. And people have such a respect towards this kashaya. They expect this person to be pious and holy, should not have any sort of sense pleasures, should not succumb to any weaknesses, should always protect the Shastra. He is responsible for that. He is answerable to Shastra. People looking at that person, Shastra looking at that person. So everybody watching, Everyone watching that person. How much responsible that person? The sannyasi means even kashaya you are wearing, or even vibhuti pattapattaya poti rudraksha potale podume. People look at you as if you are a holy person, pious person. The moment you put rudraksha, the moment you put bindi, chandanam, vibhuti, person trusts you. He is a holy person. He is a good person. They trust you. Suppose by keeping them you cheat them, they can never trust any person anywhere if anyone keeps vibhuti. Amma oru vaati maattitta anna vibhuti aala paati inga yaar namma maate. Oru vaati and kashaya aal kitta nanu maattitta. Anna madri if they cheat in the name of kashayam potite, if they cheat people, collecting money, getting money, doing lot of things they do, they can never trust in that people, in that shastra, at any time in their life. எவ்வளவு கஷ்டம், சாஸ்திரத்துக்கே அவமானம். And you are degrading the shastra, upbringing the shastra, you are harming the shastra. நீ படிக்காட்டாலும் நல்லதுதான், நீங்க படிக்காமல் இருக்கிறது நல்லதுன்னு சொல்றது சாஸ்திரம். And it is not so easy to live a sannyasi life or a Vedic lifestyle. Vedic acharya, a shastri, a person who is living Vedic lifestyle, panchakacham kattindi kutimai vechindi poda anna society looking at that person is a pious person. Understood that. Kashayam pota avan pious person. Yenna they follow values. அந்த அளவுக்கு இந்த சொசைட்டியில் ரெஸ்பெக்ட் இருக்கு. அப்போ how much you are responsible in the society. You are not supposed to live like a dog or like a pig. They are not having any condition, rules, regulation. You are tattva vid. If you are not a shastric student, nobody will bother. Nobody will bother. People, there are many people exploiting, there are many people are cheating. Who will bother? They won't bother. But a person who is an exemplar in the society, who is supposed to be follow dharma, if he violates or she violates dharma, people will never trust. Yadyad acharati shreshtaha tat tat eva itaro janaha. Whatever the popular great people follow, that only people take it as an exemplary. They follow tat tat eva itara janaha. Sayat pramanam kurte lokaha tad anuvartad. Whatever he takes as pramana, as a rule and regulation, they people will take. If he violates, avane violate pannita, namak ennappa, avarke Vishwamitranuke mudiyala, namak enna. Ippove people are using, no? Eppo Vishwamitra, people are taking advantage or not? எங்கேயோ விஸ்வாமித்ர பாப்பம் எங்கேயோ பண்ணது. ஆனால் people taking advantage till today. What to talk of present surroundings, people are violating. Suppose husband studying Shastra, going to Gita class and talking very nicely with others, misbehaving with wife, shouting, beating, hitting and criticizing, blaming her. How she feels? Janma janmas she can never touch Bhagavad Gita. அந்த மாதிரி எல்லாம் பண்ணுவான். நம்ம பிஹேவியர், நம்ம டாக்கிங், சப்போஸ் அதெல்லாம் அப்படி தான் சொல்லுவான் கிளாஸில். உங்கள் முன்னாடி நான் இப்படி தான் பிஹேவ் பண்ணுவேன் சொன்னால் they justify their behavior. That's why we have to be exemplary to others. We have to protect the respect of Shastra, reverence in the vision of people. And otherwise I am insulting Shastra. My behavior is not proper. I am not insulted. I am insulted. Adivida, I am insulting Shastra indirectly. அப்படின்னு பயப்படாதுங்கோ சொல்கிறேன். எல்லாம் எதுக்காகன்னா, சுவாமி இவ்வளோ ரொம்ப பயம் கொடுக்குறேன்னு நான் சொல்லலை, வித்யாரண்யர் சொல்கிறார். சர்வதீ தோஷ சம்ஸ்தியாகாத். இந்த தீ தோஷமெல்லாம் நீ விடணும் அப்பா. யூ ஹாவ் டு தோஷத்யாகாத். வாட் தோஷ? சர்வதீ தோஷ. ராக, துவேஷ, காம, குரோத ஆல் கம் அண்டர் தீ தோஷ. Mind dosha, they are all. These you have to drop, never succumb to them. Lokaihi pujyasva devavat. May you follow vidhi nishedha and may you live in a what manner? with a rules and regulations, strict disciplined life you follow, continue, and world will worship you as God. Devavat pujyasva. May you be worshipped by people like a God, not reverse. விபரீத லட்சணம் வரக்கூடாது. ஜீவோடிய மாதிரி இருப்பா, அது ரிவர்ஸ் பண்ண வைக்காதே என்ன. பூஜ்யஸ்வ தேவவத்து லோகைஹி. By the people you may be worshipped by them. Let you be worshipped by people like a God. Purnamadah purnamidam purnat purnamudachyate purnasya purnamadaya purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.